every single night thinking, what could I have done differently? This is a pain that will stay with me for the rest of my life.
Recession-proof investments are investments that produce income and are protected to help thrive in poor economic cycles. Harder times are coming. You need to be prepared and protected to survive and thrive in it. You can feel hard times ahead again. Stock market crash, global pandemic. What's next?
When housing prices fell and higher interest rates kicked in, homeowners couldn't keep up with their payments.
Foreclosures are rising, and the biggest problem is that prices continue to drop. Until home prices stop falling, things just aren't going to get any better.
More businesses are starting to have more down quarters, bankruptcy, credit loans, and delinquency on the rise as the economy goes downhill. If you want to create a barrier and feel protected against the consequence of future layoffs and constant bills adding up, you can, but you have to take action now. Are you willing to take action to become more secure? Inflation is rising faster than ever, while buying power is going down. It has happened before. The trend is pointing to history repeating itself.
Beating overnight in the Wall Street aftermath as the U.S. needs to act soon to prevent a global financial panic.
Be prepared for what's here and what's coming. You can thrive in chaos and uncertainty. One of the few ways you can protect and benefit from the chaos and uncertainty is from financially secured assets providing cash flow that is sent to your bank account monthly. Investments backed only by historically reliable assets. Assets most people are unable to afford, but you can own a percentage of its cash flow right now to help or improve your lifestyle. When the storm of fear and chaos passes, be positioned stronger than you were before. Make life more peaceful. Invest in your future and dreams. Life prosperity. Investing for everyone. Get better. Make life better.